Gusto mo bang bumaba ng timbang from 100 kilos? That's what I did with my client, John. Noong nagumpisa kami ng coaching ni John, he was at his heaviest at 117 kilos and ang height niya is around 5'6". Just a quick background, si John has always been a big guy growing up. Like siya yung taong kayang ubos ng isang kalderong kanin. Isa sa mga naging pain points niya is kapag natutulog siya, he would wake up in the middle of the night na manhead yung kalahati ng katawan niya dahil nga sa bigat niya. So bukod sa physical transformation, this is also a mental and an identity transformation. Kasi dekada na buong habits na kailangan niyang i-unlearn. Throughout the program, ang pinakatinuro ko talaga is nutrition and calorie counting. I had to make sure na naiintindihan niyang hindi niya kailangan kumain ng 4 na cups ng rice every meal. So far, 7 months into the program, he has lost 24 kilos and is down to 93 kilos. Of course, malayo pa kami from our goals pero sobrang layo na ng narating namin progress. He's sleeping better and mas lumakas na rin yung buhat sa gym. Ang target namin by end of year is to finally hit his normal BMI. If you're an overweight or obese Filipino, this is something na kaya kitang matulungan without rebounding or regaining your weight back. Kung ready ka na to take action, comment the word ready.